Alright, our first step is to simplify. So there's nothing we can simplify here because we don't have like terms. But on this side, we're going to take the negative 5 and multiply it to the x. So negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And then we have negative 5 times negative 3 here. So we got to distribute here. So negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. So now I'm going to bring down the 7 here. And we are not done simplifying here. We can combine the 7 with the 15, which is 22. And then bring down the negative 5x. And this is a positive 22. Now I'm going to bring down the left side here. Now, done. Step 2 is we need to highlight the variable term. But we have a variable term here and here. It says to highlight a variable term, as in singular, just one. So that tells us we need to get rid of. We can't have two variables in our problem, two variable terms, one on the left and one on the right. So it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides. Alright, so now I can do step 2. I can highlight the variable term. And I need to get rid of this plus 10 because again my goal is to get the 2x by itself. And now that this is all by itself, we are done with step 2 and now we just divide. So we get x equals 6.